Hello there. So, you want to know how you can simply go ahead and get a subscription on your Peacock TV application? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So, with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First of all, I hope you have downloaded your Peacock TV application on your mobile. If you haven't, just open your App Store, search for Peacock TV right over here, and finally simply tap on this application, download and install it. Once you've done that, click on open right over here. And now, in order for you to go ahead and get a subscription, all you need to do is click on pick a plan down over here. Once you've done that, simply select a plan that suits with your budget and click on get select. Simply after you do that, go ahead and enter your email, go ahead and enter a password that you want to create and re-enter your password. After that, it's going to ask you your card details. Simply enter your card detail and it should be charged and you will get your subscription. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next